The organization is concerned with the ongoing intimidation at Liwatoni in Mombasa and harassment by the police with the help of foreign contractors with his pockets to influence the termination which was awarded to my company owned by me, myself, who am also a Secretary General of Capital Youth Caucus. This tender was terminated prematurely without meriting the Public Procurement Act under Legal Notice number 21. Youths were harassed and some faced brutal injuries and they are nursing injuries on various hospitals. We have a reliable information that a senior KPA manager at the rank of operation manager with the help of cartels and senior surveyors from Mombasa County are behind scams. Attached here is a cash bill of the myself OB number which we have reported to government agency and no action has been taken. You need to retrieve the file from the Central Police for further investigation, which you have asked. Secondly, the same people went to court and obtained a court order and wrote to the manager of Gulf Bank to temporarily terminate the Sakawa agency project account, and later are they signatory to my bank account. Secondly, the CR12, I'm the only signatory, and also CR12, I'm the only director on that company.